Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to prove one of the most famous proofs in all of mathematics. We'll prove that a square root of 2 is irrational using the method of proof by contradiction. This proof dates back to ancient Greece and has survived for over 2,500 years. It's a masterpiece of mathematical reasoning that every student should know. The problem statements ask us to prove a fundamental claim. The square root of 2 is irrational. This means it cannot be expressed as a fraction p divided by q, where p and q are integers and q are not zero. In other words, a square root of 2 cannot be written in the form of simple fraction. This is one of the most important results in number theory and was a revolutionary discovery in ancient mathematics. As shown, we begin by using proof of contradiction. This method involves assuming the opposite of what we want to prove and then showing that this assumption leads to an absurdity or contradiction. We assume that the square root of 2 is p divided by q, where p and q are integers and q is not zero, and GCD with this common divisor of p and q equal to 1 in the lowest term. So we know we will show this leads to a contradiction. If we all look at the relation square root of 2 equal to p divided by q, then square both sides. Then we have 2 equal to p2 divided by q2. And after the multiplication of each side by q2, we have p2 equals to 2q2. p2 is even because p2 equal to 2 times of q2. If q2 is even, then p must be even. So let p is equal to 2k for some integer k. Then, after substitution, p equal to 2k into relation p2 equal to 2q2, we have 2k power 2 equal to 2q2. Then 4k2 equals to 2q2. And then 2k2 is q2. After we have 2 is even, so q must be even. But p and q are even. And then this means that the greatest common divisor of p and q is larger or equal to 2, which contradicts that GCD of p and q is equal to 1 that we assumed formerly. Since our assumption that a square root of 2 is irrational lead to a contradiction. So the result is a square root of 2 is irrational. A square root of 2 cannot be written as a fraction. One of the most elegant proofs in mathematics. Who discovered this proof? Hippasus of Metoponum 2,500 years ago proved this problem. He was member of Pythagorean school, discovered irrational numbers. According to legend, was known for revealing this secret. This proof has survived for over 2,500 years. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.